हेलो एवरीबॉडी, गुड मॉर्निंग। आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग कि आज क्या बनाऊं. लेट मी सी इन द रेफ्रिजरेटर व्हाट ऑल आई हैव इन द फ्रिज. So I found some mushrooms, a packet of mushrooms. I found tofu, and I got palak from my kitchen garden. So I've got nice things to make a very tasty, delicious, jhatpat, magic wali sabji. So let us begin with the cooking of vegetable for lunch. I will make mushrooms with palak and tofu in butter and garlic and black pepper. So let us begin with the procedure. First of all, the ingredients. I have taken half a packet of mushrooms which I have washed, wiped them dry and then cut them into slices. Not very thin, not very thick. A handful of fresh palak leaves which I am going to keep as they are, but I washed them, rinsed them, and I am going to keep them, not going to chop them. Then I have taken one onion, sliced it fine, a big one, 8 to 9 pieces of garlic which I have chopped fine, and half of tofu. I have cut the slices. It is firm tofu so that I can cut the slices easily. I have thinly sliced it lengthwise. Now let us mix up everything and make a very tasty, delicious vegetable for lunch. Take 1 teaspoon of oil, cooking oil, and spread it on the pan. Now on this you can add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter or salted butter, whatever is there in the house. You don't directly add butter because it turns brown very quickly and your vegetable color will spoil. So it is always better you put some oil and then you add butter. Now add the garlic pieces to this. For 1 to 2 minutes, lightly saute, don't make it absolutely brown. Now add the mushrooms. Stir fry them for 2 to 3 minutes. Now take the tofu pieces, put the vegetable on one side and make some space for them, and then let them roast slowly until they turn brown, and keep on turning them until it gets a nice color. Then mix up the whole vegetable. Now add salt and black pepper as per taste. If you like it very spicy, you can add little more. Otherwise, add little bit, sprinkle on top. And salt, don't add too much because we will be adding chili garlic sauce to this. I have added chili garlic sauce around 1 tablespoon, and I am going to sprinkle oregano. That gives it a nice taste. And then I will add chopped palak and put off the gas and serve hot. It is very tasty. You can serve it with a bread slice, with a bun, with a dinner roll, or eat it as it is. It's a yummy mushroom tofu preparation. I have roughly cut the palak leaves with my fingers and added it to the vegetable. Now put off the gas, let them remain crunchy. There's no need to saute them for long. They are very fresh, the leaves, they are sweet and very tasty. So no need to keep them on the gas for a long time. Put off the gas and serve this. It is a very yummy preparation. I don't know what to call it now. Let me see what name to give. I can call it tofu mushroom delight. My jhatpat, very tasty, yummy, light and nutritious, wholesome lunch is ready. mushroom tofu and palak delight. I'm going to have it with my homemade wheat flour bread. It's yummy, just yummy. Thank you for watching my video. Do make this dish. It is very easy. Once you start to understand the vegetables and the mixing of vegetables and what all can you mix with what, you can come out with very lovely dishes, preparations. Do make this and see the video to the full. Let me know in your comment box how it is. Do like, subscribe to my channel, and this is Amita Bagai signing out from Amita's Amazing Kitchen. Please do subscribe to my channel so that I can come up with more simple, delicious and nourishing recipes which I will think of what to make next with all the vegetables that are available seasonal. I don't like to use frozen vegetables. It is always better, preferably, to use fresh vegetables either from your kitchen garden or from the market, whatever is available seasonal. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Keep safe and do get vaccinated in case you are registered and you are a senior citizen. And enjoy yourself. Take care and take all the precautions because corona is still there. It has not gone. Thanks a lot, and do eat healthy foods. Eat right to keep healthy and strong. God bless everyone.